If PowerPoint is showing error 400, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that can help you get back into your presentation fast. We're going to start with the quickest solution, then move into safe mode, and finally disable add-ins in case one of them is causing the problem. This is especially useful if PowerPoint suddenly stops opening files properly, crashes on launch, or starts acting strangely after an update. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to try is disabling macros because macro-related issues can sometimes trigger unexpected PowerPoint errors. To do that, open Microsoft PowerPoint normally. Once it's open, click File in the top left corner, then choose Options. In the PowerPoint Options window, look for Trust Center on the left side and click it. Next, click Trust Center Settings. This opens the security settings for PowerPoint, where you'll see different options related to privacy, protected content, and macro behavior. Now select Macro Settings. Here, choose Disable All Macros. This option prevents PowerPoint from running any macros that could be interfering with your file or startup process. After selecting it, click OK to save the setting, then click OK again to close the options window. Once that's done, fully restart PowerPoint so the new setting takes effect. If the error was being caused by a macro issue, this may fix it right away. If you're still seeing error 400, the next step is to open PowerPoint in safe mode. Safe mode is useful because it starts PowerPoint with minimal features and bypasses most add-ins and custom settings. That makes it much easier to tell whether the problem is coming from PowerPoint itself or from something installed on top of it. To launch safe mode, press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the run box. In the field, type PowerPoint/safe, then press Enter. PowerPoint should now open in safe mode. Once it loads, try opening the file that was giving you trouble. If the presentation opens normally in safe mode, that's a strong sign that an add-in, an extension, or custom configuration is causing the issue. This is a great troubleshooting step because it helps narrow down the source of the problem without making any major changes to your system. If safe mode doesn't fully solve it, the next fix is to disable PowerPoint add-ins. Add-ins are helpful tools, but sometimes one of them can conflict with PowerPoint and trigger errors like this. To do that, open PowerPoint again, then go to File, then Options, and select Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, look for the Manage drop-down menu and choose COM add-ins. After that, click Go. You'll now see a list of installed add-ins. Uncheck all of them to disable them temporarily, then click OK. Once again, restart PowerPoint and try opening your file. If PowerPoint works properly after disabling the add-ins, you found the likely cause of the problem. You can then turn them back on one by one later to figure out which one was responsible. And that's it. Those are 3 of the most effective ways to fix PowerPoint error 400. Start with disabling macros, then test PowerPoint in safe mode, and finally disable add-ins if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will point you to the issue or solve it completely. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.